Yeah, bless up, y'all. It's your guy right here, Makai, the pharmacist, Freehaven Farms. Want to get into this article right here, top of the morning, newchapter.com. Came out in the fall. Great article showing you how the food that we're buying in the store right now just doesn't have the same minerals and nutrients as it has in the past. In fact, in the past 50 years, all the produce has declined 5 to 40%. This is major. We're going to see an increase of the decrease, okay, because of farming practices. Farmers are using a lot more fertilizer, GMO, herbicides, pesticides, fungicides to increase yield. You gotta understand, farmers get paid by the pounds of their food, not how much nutrients are in their food. So the effect is you're getting big fat food with less nutrients. I mean, obese people can be nutrient deficient. You guys have to pay attention to this, okay, because organic food, eating food that you're growing, eating food coming from high quality soil is going to have more nutrients and affect your health too. Tap in with us at Freehaven Farms. Join the